Hey guys, I'm out here getting some firewood. Gonna stack it up back at home. This is my neighbor's yard, and he actually uses a lot of this wood for lumber. As you can see, some of this stuff, as he's got cut in quarters and halves. And you can actually, he's actually made cabinets and stuff out of this. Pretty cool. Nice guy. Didn't want to put him on camera, but don't want to put him on the spot or anything. But yeah, he's got some nice size pieces of wood over here. He's just gonna cut these down and use it for lumber. But yeah, we're gonna go out and get some more trees, and we'll fill this pile up pretty quick. And I'm gonna take a trailer load back with me and get the house a little nice and toasty. You see, the snow has fell. Not a lot of it out here yet, but looking forward to a white Christmas probably. And well, since I can't hold this camera and load the trailer at the same time, I'm gonna let you guys go. It was stuck. Alright, we're going. Woo! Yeah. Well, the snowstorm hit us. Looks like about 4 or 5 inches so far, but it's still coming down. Craziness. Ooh, it's cold.
If you don't get under my coat. No, puppy. No.
Tell him off.
Off.
Come on. What's up, dog? Go.
Whoa, that's funny.
He's still gonna try to get stumps. Weirdo. Woo! Oh, looks like it's not ice yet. Not ice yet, huh? Oh shit. That's cold water. Can't wait to go ice skating. That'll be fun. Of course, I'd have to buy some ice skates. Probably break my neck. Cold enough, or are you warm in your coat?
I'm warm in my coat.
Okay.
But not in my pants.
Yeah.
Getting wet.
Gotta get some snow pants.
I know.
We should make a hill like right over here.
Make the hill?
Yeah, I gotta cut a path out though.
Yeah. Hey, Moses could dig one.
Looks like we're gonna have a white Christmas.
Yeah, we get to have a white Christmas. Actually, a snowy Christmas.
Yeah.
Puppy,
Zeus!
puppy,
Come here, Zeus!
puppy.
What are you doing? No, don't let him get on you. Like playing in the snow, huh?
Yeah. I do, and Zeus.
He thinks that's his mama.
He thinks that's his mama.
Yeah.
Hey, mama, hey, mama.
You want to take the sled on the hill?